Welcome back to the channel. The Honda Civic X is the 10th generation of Honda's iconic compact sedan, a model that has built its reputation over decades for reliability, practicality, and stylish design. Introduced globally in the mid-2010s, this generation brought a major shift in styling, performance, and technology compared to its predecessors. The Civic X is recognized for its bold and sporty exterior, which set it apart from the conservative look of earlier models. Its low and wide stance gives it an aggressive road presence, while the sweeping roofline and sharp body creases provide a more aerodynamic and modern profile. The front end is dominated by a broad grille flanked by sleek LED headlights, giving it a high-tech and premium appearance. This design direction appealed to a younger audience while still maintaining the everyday usability the Civic nameplate is known for. Under the hood, the Honda Civic X offered a range of engine options depending on the market and trim level. One of the most notable advancements was the introduction of a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine in certain variants, delivering a balance of power and fuel efficiency that impressed both enthusiasts and daily commuters. This turbo engine provided quicker acceleration and a more engaging driving experience without compromising on mileage. Other trims featured a naturally aspirated 1.8-liter or 2.0-liter engine for those preferring a simpler setup. Transmission options included a manual gearbox for purists and a CVT automatic for smooth, efficient driving. The suspension system was tuned for a blend of comfort and agility, allowing the Civic X to handle city streets and highway cruising with ease while still offering responsive cornering on twisty roads. Inside, the Civic X featured a spacious and thoughtfully designed cabin that was a leap forward in quality and technology. Compared to the previous generation, the dashboard had a clean and minimalistic design with a digital instrument cluster that displayed vital driving information clearly. The infotainment system came with a touchscreen interface, smartphone integration, and in higher trims, premium audio options. Honda also paid attention to passenger comfort, with supportive seats, ample legroom in both rows, and generous trunk space. This made the Civic X an excellent choice for small families, young professionals, and long-distance travelers alike. Higher trims offered luxury touches such as leather upholstery, climate control, and advanced driver assist systems. Safety was another strong point for the Honda Civic X. Many variants came equipped with Honda Sensing, the brand's suite of safety and driver assistance technologies. This included adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and road departure mitigation. These features not only enhanced driver confidence,